guys, today I'm going to be playing Subway Surf, and the reason why I like this game is actually because I have been playing this on my dad's phone, and then my dad uninstalled it, but it's Christmas time, so I'm excited for this because it's going to be all Christmassy. If you hear some noise in the background, it's just me. Because I'm just putting my calendar back. Because I just ate a chocolate from my calendar. I want to have enough. Okay. I just really want to get this one. Okay, so now I'm just going to keep going to where I was going and put the volume a bit lower so you can all hear my voice, because that was a problem a few videos ago. My first video, I think it was. So yeah, we're not going to get this. We're just going to start playing. Just to let you know, that's my birds. They kind of scared me. That's why I failed. Because they normally don't tweet this loud in the morning. They normally tweet this loud in the morning, but never in the afternoon. But I'm not used to hearing them tweet because I think I've never actually done this in that room. I was going to get something to eat, but I can't now because my birds, they're going to keep on jump scaring me, and you know, it's going to be so creepy. Never fly away. Wait, I believe I can fly. Wow. Did you see the background there? That was so cool. So yeah, hopefully the birds don't make any more noise. I'll just check the top runs, and I'm just gonna. Oh, nobody's got on diamond, and only one person's got on gold, and tons of people are on silver, and I'm still on bronze, I think. Yeah, I'm like the lowest. Yeah. Ooh. That's kind of bad. I guess I'll just play again. I paused the video because, you know, I just wanted to get something to eat. And I also paused the game for a second because I also wanted to eat. And I'm just having a little snack while playing. Be a friend. I don't have any friends on this. Just to let you know, if I'm rubbish at this game, it's because I haven't played it in ages. And I've only got one hand on the game because I'm eating. What is the word? Tree. As in a Christmas tree. Doing pretty good. Oh God. Pretty good. Pretty good. I'm going to start at the bottom. Oh, yay! Not at the bottom. Look, Vicky's at the bottom. I don't even know her, but who cares? Let's get on with this game, bro. Oh god. I was trying to take a cookie out of the packet. Might as well just have them closer to me. Go this way, then that way. This is gonna be like a 10-minute video. It's one of my shortest videos. I'm sorry for that, but I just want to make this a shorter video because we need to have time to edit. Even though it's quite quick to edit, you don't know what we need to do. There are really hard things you need to do to be a YouTuber. And now I am one, so yeah. I get a feeling of how to edit and how to become a YouTuber. Well, when I'm older, I'm gonna ask my mum if I can actually have a YouTube channel which can reveal my face. Because I want to do dancing on it. Because as everybody in my school knows, I'm a very good dancer and I love dancing. Where am I now? At least I beat Vicky. But look at me. It says me. That's me. Me is me. Yeah? You see that? That's me. Oh, if you heard sort of blowing and all that, that was just my birds being silly. Because my dad's upstairs still sleeping. And my mum has gone out to work, and me and my sister, we're here, so like, yeah, nothing's happening to the birds. Why would we set them free? They would have already flew over here if they were free. And I'll tell you if they were free anyway. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep going. Yay! Oh! I'm silent because I'm eating. And it's rude too. Talk with food in your mouth. No! Close your eyes. Fresh 45 more to collection. Okay, I actually like this game, so I'm gonna play it. Upgrade this for 50 and upgrade all these. I'm gonna get 50 to get a new wall. Mm. 20,000 on silver, gold 100, or 20,000, wood 20,000, food 20,000, stone 20,000. No, I'm not going to install that. I think this is going to be the end of the video now as I finish this. So goodbye.